behavior is called Paws Up, and it's a great way to get the pups to focus somewhere when you need to get them under control. What's nice about this is once they learn to put their paws up on something, it lifts them up off the ground a little bit. So if you had to reach down and pick him up, it brings him up just a little bit higher. This is also really good for if you have to give them treats or medicine that they know to come to this space for a treat. It's a very good way to get them to settle and focus, and also to practice testing things out with their feet. So to get them to do this, you start with something low. This is actually a rubber bowl. This is nice because it's got good traction on the floor. It's not going to slide. You can use anything else as long as it's not going to slide on whatever ground it's on. So here, this is going to be pretty good on the rubber flooring. On the wood floor, it would slide. So you just want to make sure there's going to be some stability for the dog when you're doing this. They tend to pick this up pretty quickly because you're just going to guide them with some treats to get them to bring their feet up on it. So you start with a couple treats in your hands. You have them off the bowl. You're going to tell them paws up and then guide them onto the bowl. So we're going to, that's it, guide her up. Good girl. Okay, come here. Nice and slow, paws up. Good girl. Let her have the treat. Good puppy, off. Then you're going to have them come off it and then bring them right back on again. Good girl. Good paws up. Good. Good job. Okay, off. Paws up is 2 paws up on any object. And you can do this if you don't have a bowl. You can use a large book. You can use really anything that's going to lift their feet a few inches up off the ground. Good girl. Come here. Let me paws up. Good girl.